Hey guys, so now it's time to connect the dots. So right now we have installed VS Code, we have installed SDK, we have also installed the Unity version and all the stuff. So right now it's time to create our first project in the Unity. So I will quickly showcase you how to create a project. So again, click on the projects tab, make sure that you are in the projects tab, then click on the new. And I'm just calling it as like I'm creating a 2D project for now. The main motto of this video is to how to integrate the IDE, that is VS Code, into the Unity. So test project can be a good name. I guess I will create a new folder here, test project. So yeah, like whenever you are creating any project, so you need to specify the name and you need to specify the location. That means at what folder you want to create the necessary files for that project. So I have set up that one name for my project and as well as one folder that I have newly created right now. So just select the folder. So right now this project will get created into that particular folder, as simple as that. So I'm just hitting the create button. It can take several minutes depending upon the processing power. I will just pause the video and come back to you when the project creation is ready. So yeah, you don't need to do anything. You just need to wait until Unity is creating the new project for you. Yo guys, our first project is ready.